All right, hey there friends, this is Scott with Tech Talk. Today we're going to be formatting a Photosmart M425 camera by HP. Again, I'm going to be selling this, so what we're doing is we're actually just hitting a big reset on the camera, formatting it and getting it ready for the new buyer to set up for their specific needs. It's actually a fairly simple process. What I'm going to do is actually turn on the camera with this button up here. You'll hear the lens come out there. And then what I'm going to do is hit the menu button, and this is going to bring us over into our menu options. You can see there's numerous ones up there at the top that you can scroll through, different tabs. I'm going to go on this second one. This is the Design Gallery menu, and I'm going to come down here to the trash can button. I'm actually going to click that, and as you can see, it gives us some options here. It says cancel. You can format the memory. Now, if you have pictures stored in the internal storage on this camera, you're going to see some other options. Those other options will be to erase all the pictures that are on the internal storage. Or again, what we want to do is we want to format the memory and set this thing up to the factory defaults. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. You can see that it's asking us to delete all images and files from the internal memory. I'm going to go ahead and confirm yes, that's what we want it to do. And depending on how much you have on here, it'll take literally just a couple of seconds. So yeah, that's basically what you need to do to kind of factory reset this thing. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off now, get it all ready to ship out to the new customer. Hope that's helped, friends. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We got plenty of tutorial videos coming up really soon.